Now here is how you can decrease the app size on the iPhone. Let me explain it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course you have a bunch of different apps, and in order to manage and see how large they actually get, you need to go to the settings, general, and the iPhone storage, which breaks it down visually at the top and also shows you how large it actually gets for individual apps. Right, so what you can do in here is to manage the app itself, and obviously we have the ability to, for example, tap on some of the apps which I might have, and what you'll have the ability to do is to offload the app, but that is going to make the app currently or temporarily unusable, because offloading just means that you keep the data of the app but you uninstall the rest. So yeah, that could free up some of the storage, but it's gonna make the app not usable. So I guess that's not something that we want. The only option which I found to be working with this is a basic reinstalling of the app. So let me give you an example. I have in here the HiPic photo editor. It's an app I downloaded from the App Store for free, right? And the current app size right now is 467 megabytes. Right? And before, I used to have the app installed on my iPhone even like a month ago. But back then, I actually took a screenshot, right? So let me find it inside of my gallery right here. I was basically able to delete the app and reinstall it to lose some of the storage. I don't think that I'll be able to find it. I probably deleted the screenshot, but before, the app was at about 700 megabytes. So after deleting the app and then subsequently reinstalling it back from the App Store, I was able to make it go down by about like 200 or 300 megabytes, which isn't like too much, but that was what I found the only way to decrease the app size. Right, so it kind of depends on how much data you have stored in there, right? For example, the Microsoft Teams, currently 449 megabytes. If I click on the delete like this, so let me do it in real time. I'm gonna go to the App Store once again and look up the Teams as such, right? So I'm gonna go in here, click on the cloud icon to reinstall it. And after a while, after it loads up, we'll have the ability to check it out, how large the app gets, right? So it should be almost done. And when I go back to the storage, let me reopen it again. You can see that Teams is now at 454 megabytes. So it works better for some apps than for others. But as I say, this is the only way to decrease the storage of the apps. So let me know your thoughts about it below in the comments. I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.